My name's AlanCrouch, and I lead the IoT product engineering team. I'm the general manager in that team in Telstra Networks, and I'm really excited to have responsibility for the product engineering on our smart home and also our machine-to-machine efforts across intelligent vehicles, smart metering. If you look at smart home, predictions in the industry are that we're going to go from 13 devices today to over 30 by 2021 in the average Australian home. So it's a time of great change. That makes it very exciting, and we think we can bring some new smart home experiences that customers will love, everything from the little things to the life-changing. Yeah, in the IoT space, we're focusing on both consumer and enterprise use cases. So we focus in the consumer side on smart home. We're going to be bringing some additional exciting new devices. We've just come out with some new devices. One of the big breakthroughs in the last couple of years in smart home is voice assistance. So we've just launched the Google Home device, for example. Then over on the enterprise side, in what we call the machine-to-machine space, we're real excited about intelligent vehicles, smart metering across Australia, and then also smart cities and precision agriculture. Sure, I think we have a chance to move from telcos to techcos, basically. And as Telstra makes the transformation to being a world-class technology leader, I think Internet of Things is right in the center of that transition. So we can move from providing the connectivity to moving what we call up the stack and providing overall services, especially cloud-based services that give an end-to-end solution for both consumer and enterprise IoT. I think the area of what we call DevOps, where we have teams that are a bit of, I'll call it Renaissance teams, people that have multiple different types of skills that can come together and do everything from application development in iOS and Android to working in Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services Cloud. We're using both and find them to be both very important and relevant as we move this up the stack vision that I've been talking about. And then the third area would be around devices and device firmware. And then finally also into the network itself, looking at things like capabilities. Telstra has a great asset in terms of having presence in millions of homes across Australia with our home modems. So being able to do development and actually have new software innovation that comes into the modems and can talk end to end across that space. So being able to do everything from ideate and do design thinking to come up with new products, as well as being able to develop in all the various pieces of the end-to-end solution, and then be able to do automation so that we can basically build systems that we not only do rapid development, but we also operate the systems. We call that continuous integration, continuous deployment and development, so CI/CD. And so that wide range of skills is what's really important in this day and age. I think people would be very surprised to see the transformation from Telstra of what was a traditional telco and more of a network and telecommunications engineer. That's still a super important field and something we spend a lot of time on. But the amount of software engineering that we're doing today and will be doing in the future is a surprise, I think, to most people when they really kind of open the doors and come in and see what we're up to.